through the heart, and you're to blame, darling. You give love a bad name.
Alright, so we're going to learn the pathway of blood through the heart. Two things to understand before we actually start though. The first, we're going to talk about a right and left atrium, and we're going to talk about a right and left ventricle. And atria and ventricles are actual cavities or spaces within the heart. The second thing to understand is that valves are a way for blood to get from one part of the heart to another by opening and closing. They have that ability. So say for instance that this water bottle is our heart. The space right here, this could be an atrium or a ventricle. And the top could be our valve because it works by opening. When it's open, water comes out. When it's closed, water doesn't. Exactly how a valve works within your heart. Okay, so let's get down to business and learn the actual pathway now. Alright, so we're going to start with the superior and inferior vena cava. These two vena cava take blood that has already circulated throughout the body and dumps it into the right atrium. Then, from the right atrium, the tricuspid valve opens and dumps the blood into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, we go through the pulmonary valve to the pulmonary arteries and out to the left and right lungs to get oxygenated. We come back to the heart through the pulmonary veins and into the left atrium. From the left atrium, blood goes through the mitral or bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, blood goes through the aortic valve into the aorta and circulates throughout the body. Blood returns to the heart via the superior and inferior vena cava. And that, my friends, is the pathway of blood through the heart. In case you missed any part of it, pay close attention to the next clip because it's going to quickly go through each of the words that we went through. Peace.